Understanding lever and fulcrum, simple mechanics in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, lever and fulcrum. This phrase isn't just a part of everyday language. It's also a fundamental concept in physics. Whether you're learning English or just curious about how simple machines work, this video is for you. So, let's get started and explore what lever and fulcrum really means. A lever is a simple machine that helps lift or move objects more easily. It's a long, rigid bar that pivots on a point. Imagine a seesaw in a playground. That's a perfect example of a lever in action. The lever has three main parts: the effort, the load, and the fulcrum. The effort is where you apply force. The load is what you're trying to move, and the fulcrum is the pivot point. The beauty of a lever is that it allows you to lift or move heavy things that you normally couldn't, using less force. Now, let's focus on the fulcrum. The fulcrum is the point on which the lever rests and pivots. It's crucial because its position determines how easily you can move the load. If the fulcrum is closer to the load, you need less force to lift it. But, if the fulcrum is nearer to the effort, you might need more force, but you get greater control and precision. In everyday language, when someone says they need a lever and fulcrum, they're metaphorically talking about needing tools or means to achieve a difficult task more easily. The concept of a lever and fulcrum isn't just limited to physics. It's used metaphorically in various contexts. For example, in business, a small investment might be seen as a lever, with strategic planning acting as the fulcrum to lift a heavy financial goal. In personal development, a good habit can be the lever, and motivation the fulcrum, helping you achieve significant life changes. Understanding this metaphor can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension, especially in contexts where mechanical concepts are applied metaphorically to describe situations. And that wraps up our exploration of lever and fulcrum. It's fascinating how a simple mechanical concept can be so powerful, both in the physical world and as a metaphor in language. We hope this video has not only enhanced your English vocabulary but also given you a new perspective on how language and mechanics intertwine. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.